Hello, everybody. I just want to do a little refresh because I have a few of these lessons that have broken. I don't know what else to call it. They want me to review, so let's go ahead and do that. Restore. They want me to restore. Which of these is France? Oh my God.
La France.
Okay, this is going to be pretty easy. How do you say college?
Université.
Université. Université. An American university. Université américaine. Oh, she's not going to say it? I can never remember if it's American or American. I have to figure out how to read that.
Angleterre.
Angleterre. You work a lot. Vous travaillez beaucoup.
Comment?
Comment?
Italie.
Italy. That's funny because I just took the Italian placement test on here too.
Il.
What in the world was
Il.
I thinking?
Chien. Non.
Chien. Non.
En Angleterre.
En Angleterre. Sorry. In England. He lives in Berlin. Il
habite
à Berlin.
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 Oui, je travaille à Paris.
Yes, I work in Paris. Yes, I work in Paris. An American university.
Une
Université.
université américaine.
American. Now I know.
Paul est en Italie.
Paul est
En.
Paul est en.
Paul est en Italie.
Paul est en Italie.
Oui, je travaille à Paris.
Oui, je travaille à Paris. You know, the way they link all together, all of the vowels like that, it's really hard sometimes. For me, at least, I don't know why, but I hesitate whenever I have to, because I just want to say
J'étudie en
them all
Angleterre.
separately. Sorry, I wasn't listening.
J'étudie en Angleterre.
J'étudie en Angleterre.
J'étudie avec un professeur.
J'étudie avec un professeur. J'étudie avec un professeur. Tu travailles à Berlin. Le professeur. Oh, it is. Is it? Can I get my French, please? Oh my goodness, it's not. Yeah, I know. I don't know how to spell professor in French. My stupid keyboard isn't working. Il habite à Berlin. Le France. Oh my God, La France.
Je travaille beaucoup. Je travaille beaucoup.
Je Travail. B-A-U-C-O-U-P. I guess I gotta start learning how to spell.
En France.
En France. Le pro fait pro fait E-U-R. There we go. La. Oh my God. La for the third time. France. La France. There we go. Do 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 do. The people have been completed, have been restored. Let's go to travel. Which of these is the taxi?
Le taxi.
Le taxi. Very good. I'm so smart. Le gare.
Gare.
Gare. I'm going to the train station. Je vais à la gare.
Passeport.
Passeport. It is a taxi. C'est un taxi. Je.
Valise.
Valise.
Français.
Français.
Et.
Et.
En.
En.
Tu prends l'avion?
Tu prends l'avion? Are you taking the plane? That sounded kind of strange. Are you taking the plane? Are you taking a plane would or whatever? Because it's are you taking the plane? It sounds like there's a certain plane that they can see and somebody's gonna steal it. Like, oh my God, he's taking the plane. No. I'm going to Berlin. Je vais à
Berlin.
Berlin.
Je prends l'avion.
Je prends l'avion. I am taking the plane. I am taking the plane. It is a suitcase.
Ce est. Valise.
C'est une valise.
Je prends la
prends-
voiture.
Jesus has followed me on Hello Talk. Yay, thank you, Jesus. Je prends la voiture. I am taking the car. That makes more sense. I'm taking the car like say you're at home and you have a roommate or you're married and you just say, hey, I'm taking the car. But see, that even that would be different because in one sense, I'm taking the car, at least in English, means that you're taking the car. Whereas in this, I am taking the car, it means I'm traveling by car. So, I don't know.
Tu prends la voiture?
Tu prends la
Voiture. Tu prends la voiture?
You taking a car?
C'est une gare française.
C'est une gare française. It is a French train station. I wonder what makes it French.
Je prends la voiture.
Je prends la voiture.
Voiture.
I'm taking a car.
J'ai un passeport.
J'ai un passeport. Je prends le train. Le train. Le taxi.
Une valise.
Une valise. Le train. I wanted to say it. Tu prends le taxi. Okay, travel's complete. I know there's one more somewhere. At work. Let's go to work. How do you say profession? Métier?
Métier.
The letters are on the table. Les lettres sont sur la table. Phone.
Téléphone.
Téléphone. They are writing messages. Ils écrivent des messages.
Elle habite aux États-Unis.
Elle habite aux États-Unis. She lives in the United States. États-Unis. I don't even know if I'm saying that right.
Elle habite aux États-Unis.
États-Unis. I just have a hard time with that. États-Unis. I don't think that's right. Are you using your phone to
Tu utilises
utiliser ton
ton téléphone.
téléphone?
Tu travailles aux toilettes?
Tu travailles aux toilettes? Do you work at the toilets? Really? Is that really do you work in the restroom? I mean, people do. If you go to, I don't know, if you go to like a really nice restaurant, or I guess it's always been clubs that I've seen it. There's usually some guy in there like passing out paper towels and passing out stuff from the basket and shit like that. And so, who knows? Are you using a computer to
Tu utilises un ordinateur.
ordinateur? I don't know. That word looks so old-fashioned to me. I feel like modern-day French people say computer. Computer. I have to look that up because I just... strange.
Il est aux toilettes.
He is in the bathroom. Ugh. Are you using your cell phone to
Utilise
ton
ton portable.
portable?
J'utilise mon ordinateur.
J'utilise mon
Mon ordinateur. J'utilise mon ordinateur.
Oh shit, wrong conjugation.
Un métier.
Un métier.
J'utilise mon portable.
J'utilise mon
Mon
portable.
portable.
Got it right that time.
Les lettres sont sur la table.
Les lettres sont sur la table.
Tu écris un message?
Tu. Oh. Écris un message.
Message.
Are you writing a message? Tu écris un livre. Are you writing a book? I wonder if they want the le portable. Okay, y'all. Don't show a picture of a cell phone and then get mad when I type in cell phone. If you want it to be telephone, you need to show an old school telephone that hangs on the wall.
Il écrit un email.
Je. Oh no, because that begins with a vowel. So we can do one of these. J'écris. What should she say?
Il écrit un email.
Email. Oh Lord, I cannot hear today.
Elle écrit un livre.
Elle écrive. Oh, did he say écrive?
Elle écrit un livre. Elle écrit un livre.
Okay, she's writing a book.
J'utilise mon ordinateur.
J'utilise mon
Mon ordinateur.
Le téléphone.
Il écrit un email. Il écrit un email.
Right. I think that about covers it. Everything. Look. Okay, so I took the Italian test and I got 40%. I knew 40% of everything that they had in Duolingo, right? So I'm swiping through and I noticed there's like half of the amount of lessons than there is for like French. And I just want to look at it now. Yeah, there's like a shit ton of French lessons here. I don't know if maybe like they're going to add more as I go along, but there was no level 5 in the Italian course. There was no level 6, so on and so forth. Like, is there more after 9 or is that the end? I wonder how they decide that. Is like Italian supposed to be an easy language, so you don't need as many lessons? Whereas French is more complicated, so you need more lessons in order to learn it as fully. I don't know. But that was a restore. We restored those. We did good. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you learned something. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.